Do you know you can stream to Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms using OBS? Yes, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stream to multiple platforms using OBS, and we are going to be making use of a plugin. So stay with me and let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media. All right, so this is my OBS right here. If you look to my top left corner, you see the stream setup I did here. Yes, so we are going to download the plugin. The plugin is called Aetium Multi-Stream. Okay, so you click the link in the description and you can download this plugin. So once you click the link, you take it to this interface. All right, so you click go to download. Go to download and let's wait for it. Okay, so once you're on this page, just give it some seconds and the download will start automatically. Okay, all right, so you can see the download has been completed. All right, so you can proceed with the installation. Okay, so let's proceed. Next, install. But me, I already have it installed on my PC. All right, so but you can proceed with the installation. Click next and then install it. Okay, so once you are through the installation, restart your OBS.
All right, so once you install the plugin and you open your OBS, right, head straight to this dock right here. This dock at this top left corner right here. Click on docks and then you will see the plugin Aetium Multi-Stream. Just click it and then it will pop up. Yours will be somewhere here. Yeah, all right, so you can actually drag it and position it anywhere you want. All right, so me, I love mine here, and you can actually extend it, stretch it. Okay, if you want it to be long, you can bring your mouse here and stretch it. All right, so you can see.
All right, so once you are through, I believe you must have had your camera set up and your audio and you are ready to go live. Okay, so I'll be making use of one of my video. Let's say I'll be making use of my intro, yes, in place of camera. Okay, so let me go to my media, let me loop it, go to browse. Okay, let me go to my desktop. Okay, all right, let me right click on it, come to transform and then straight to screen. Let me lock it. All right, so we are going to be making use of this intro. We are going to be streaming this to 3 different platforms. Okay, we're going to be streaming to Facebook profile, Facebook page, and YouTube. Okay, so with time we'll go into TikTok live streaming, how to set up the TikTok live streaming. All right, so the first thing you do, head over to your browser and let's log into the Facebook. Okay, head over to your Facebook account. Click on this live button right here, live video. Click on it. Let's wait for it, and then you see go live right here. Click set up live video. Let's wait for it. Ensure you like and share this video with your friends. Okay, all right, so the first step you need to take care is to put in your live details. What is your live video about? Click it, and in your title box you can type in the title of your live stream, but for this tutorial we make use of this text, the description as well, text. Then I'll save this. Okay, the next step is to copy the stream key. This is the stream key right here. Copy. Now head over to your OBS, come to your settings right here. This one is the default stream setting we are doing. All right, so come to your setting, come to stream, and then on this stream key box you can actually delete this and paste the stream key. Head over to your browser again, come to this advanced setting, click it, and you will see the stream URL. You can see this is the URL right here. Copy it, and this persistent stream key you can turn it on if you don't want your stream key to be changing all the time. If you want to maintain one stream key, just turn on this persistent stream key. All right, so once you copy the URL, go back to your OBS, and under the server you can Control A and Control V. All right, and take note, under this service make sure it's on custom. Okay, put it on custom under this service. All right, so once you are through, apply and okay. All right, so now We are through with this. So now let's add the Facebook page. But take note, if you want to stream to Facebook profile and Facebook page at the same time, you can't actually do it inside one browser. Yes, there's no way I can log in the Facebook account and the Facebook page inside the Chrome. So I'll have to use another browser entirely. So I'll be making use of Firefox for the page. Okay, so I'll open my Firefox and go into the page right now. All right, so I'll head over to the page. Make sure you log in the Facebook details. All right, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be making use of this page, Ukudane Outreach Ministry. Please do well to follow the page, like and share. All right. Okay, so once you're on the page, click on live video and then come to set up live video. All right. Remember the first step, put in your Facebook details. So we're going to type in test as well on the description. Okay. All right. So once you are through, you save it. Now you are going to copy the stream key as well. Copy, head over to your OBS. Now, this is where we are going to be making use of the multi-stream plugin. Okay. All right. So click on this setting right here. All right. So click on it and it will bring out this option. Now click on main output. So these are the settings I did previously. So I'm going to remove them. Okay. So once you click on main output, you click on add output. Okay. Add output and then you select Facebook. All right, so we are doing it for the Facebook page. So select Facebook and then the stream key. All right, the stream key we copied, you are going to paste it here. All right, so you paste it here and the server, the URL, this is the box for the URL. You can go to the page, come to advanced, copy the URL, persistent stream key, make sure you turn it on. All right, so you come to A and then you paste. All right, so once you are through, you click create output. All right, so we've created the output for the page. Now let's go for the YouTube. Okay, for the YouTube, I will make use of my Chrome. So I'll add new tab here and head over to the YouTube. All right, so ensure you like and share this video. Drop your comment if you have any question. Okay. All right, so come to create, click on create, click on go live. Let's wait for it. All right, so you are going to be making use of the schedule posts. Okay, if you want your live stream to be consistent, so if you don't want your live stream to end automatically each time your network for trade, so you are going to use this schedule so that your stream will be consistent till you click end stream. Else if you use this one right here, if your network misbehave, your live stream is going to end. Right, so go for this and then come to schedule stream. All right, click it and then create new. All right, for the title, let's put test for the sake of the tutorial. Now you can scroll down and then if you have your thumbnail, you can click this. Yes, it will take you to your PC where you can actually load in the thumbnail. All right, so you scroll down, any other setting you want to do, come to show more, any other setting you want to make on your YouTube. All right, like the hashtag and the rest, you can actually configure it yourself and then make sure it's not made for kids. Select this. Right, so click next and then the visibility, make sure it's on public. Okay, well, so once you are done, if you want to schedule the streaming for an hour or 2 days, 3 days, you can actually select the date and then the time here. Right, so but we are streaming right away, so I'll click done. Right, so let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see the page has finished loading. All right, so you're going to copy the stream key. YouTube actually changed their settings. All right, so you can't find the stream key at the down part here. You see it at the top there. You can see it. So click this copy right here, head over to your OBS and then you paste. Okay, so once you paste, create output. All right, and if you have other social media platforms as well, you can proceed, copy the stream key, come to add output. You can actually stream to 4 or 5 platforms using this OBS plugin. All right, so once you are done, click OK. All right, so come to this place and start the streaming for the Facebook profile. Start streaming. Let's wait for it. All right, you can see it's showing us that live. You can see the green. All right, so if I go to my Facebook and go to my Facebook profile right here, if I wait for it, you can see the connect live video. You can see I'm ready to go live right here. So if I click this go live, you can see the video is playing. If I click go live, I'll be live on the Facebook. All right, so you just click this live icon right here, click it and just wait for it. And one and then once it turns, you can see it means you're streaming and then it's active on OBS. Now head over to your page, the browser, then wait for it. You can connecting live video. See, I'm ready to go live. So if I click this go live button, I will be live on the page as well. Okay, so that's it. Right. So let's head back to our, you can see my video right here. Let's for the YouTube as well. I click this start streaming icon on the, go to my YouTube, go to my YouTube, and if we give it a second, you can see preparing stream. All right, so you can see go live button is now enabled. So if I click go live, I will be live on YouTube and I'll be streaming to 3 different platforms at the same time using OBS. And if you want to end the streaming, just click end stream. You can end the streaming on all the platforms as well. All right, so that's how to stream to multiple platforms using OBS. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, drop a comment if you have any question, and then subscribe and turn on the notification bell.